If you're looking for a dessert that's bright, refreshing, and perfectly proportioned for two, you are going to love these. They are super easy to make, no oven needed, and have that perfect not too sweet balance. Hi everyone, I'm Pika and welcome back to Baker Affair. Today I'm making individual lime cups with toasted coconut. But don't worry, you can leave off that coconut. And if you're not into the lime, I have a lemon recipe for you. It's from last week or the week before. I'll leave a link up here. And it's delicious. It was my first time making it. Chef's kiss. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to get graham cracker crumbs, 1/3 cup, stick them in a bowl. And that's about 4 graham crackers, 1/3 cup. And I'm going to add melted butter, tablespoon. And I'm going to mix it until it's crumbly. Well, not crumbly, until it's coated in the butter. Here, come watch. You want them to be coated. And I'm going to put them in the bottoms of these glasses, the crumbs that I just made. Come down. Okay, so I'm going to add them to the bottom. Make sure you press it down. You can use any kind of glasses you like. I like these because they're wide and I can press them down to make the layer down there. If you have a smaller glass, trying to do it in these, but my hand doesn't go down and I like to have that straight. You could use these and just put it up, the crumbs on the bottom and then layer everything, but I think it looks better like this. If you have them, if not, don't worry about it. Now we're going to set these aside. And we're going to get working on the filling, which is, you're going to need a bowl and you're going to take, hold on a minute. First I have to juice a lime. I need 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice. If you want to make it less tart, you can put 1 tablespoon or less. If you don't, I like lime, I love lime. So I'm going to juice these babies. And I'm also going to take some of the rind off, about 1.5 teaspoons. And just in case you didn't know, when you're zesting your lime with one of these, if you have one, don't go too hard or you're going to get into that white part, which is very bitter, and you don't want that. It took me a long time to figure that out. You just want to graze it. So that's about 1.5 teaspoons. And like I said, don't go too far or you'll go, and I have a heavy hand because I'm like, oh, let's get it off, but you only need the very top. Okay, now I have the lime juice and the zest, the lime zest, ready to go. Okay, so now the lime juice and the zest are ready. You need cream cheese that's been softened. I didn't really let it soften that much, so I'm going to use my handy dandy mixer, which you know how I love my mixer. It will never be on my Amazon shop because I don't like it. I will never ever say, oh, go and buy one. And I'm going to add sweetened condensed milk, about 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add the lime zest. I'm going to add the lime juice. And I'm going to add white chocolate. And then I'm going to mix it together.
Now that it's mixed, I'm going to start layering it into the glasses. My glass, I'm going to add the toasted coconut, and my husband's is not going to get the toasted coconut, and I'm going to continue to layer the cream mixture and the coconut.
Okay, and now I'm going to add zest to my husband's. I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to do that. See, made it pretty. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm going to have some on mine. With just a few pieces of coconut. Well, a little more than a few because I love it. I don't mind it. If it's unsweetened, I love it better because I can do the... So that's it. It's got to set up in the refrigerator. It has to set up in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight because of the chocolate in it. Will firm everything up. Okay, so that's what they look like. That's my husband, and that's mine. And now they're going to go in the refrigerator for a couple hours or overnight. Probably I'm going to eat it later on, and I'll be back to let you know how it tastes because I already know it tastes delicious. See you in a little bit. Okay, so it's been about, I don't know, 20 minutes. You know how I am. I have to eat things now, and I just can't help it. So here's my lime deliciousness that I already know I love. Look at that. It is so good. That lime, the tartness of the lime. I love the coconut, toasted coconut. If you don't like it, leave it out. It's delicious. And the graham cracker crust. I hope you give it a try. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want, subscribe, share if you wish. Until next Wednesday, ciao.